Yeah, right. You're gonna have to pick that thing up. You're gonna have to pick it up.
No.
Here, just like pick up big pieces of it.
I got the pieces. I got the air. You have to know where it was.
Like a dang freaking puzzle.
He's really skinny in the middle. Oh, now he has.
He had weight loss.
Go. Ah!
It's a chicken.
You're a chicken. No, look. Those are birds.
Snow chicken.
We're gonna
Take a
keep this.
picture of the first chicken.
What other big space
I have it on film.
Oh, jeez. Snow chicken. Oh!
That is a sad looking snowman.
You're a sad snowman.
We could turn it into a snow castle.
Yeah, let's do that.
You can make it be Olaf because he has a shape kind of like that, right?
No, it's a snow castle.
Are you stupid?
No.
You can make this a snow castle. Add the
What is this?
Snow castle. Here's the door.
top.
Don't kick it.
I'm making the door.
Fancy.
Door. Yay.
It's the beginning of the palace.
Great.